The Prophet said, if you save one life, it's as if you're saving the whole ummah. We're thinking about doing some medical work, like being a doctor, surgeon, anything medical, like working in the hospital and stuff.
I'm here to try and improve my grades in English, maths and science, but also try to raise my iman in Tarbeyah lessons with the teacher and try to balance between like school life and religion and like activities that I like to do.
The relationship with the students is much more personal because you understand where they're coming from. You can tailor what you're learning to them, specifically to them, because you've kind of grown up with the same mentality, grown up in the same area as them. Whereas in a normal school, you have teachers where they don't know how to connect with the students on that personal level.
Tarbiyah to me is helping a person to internalize the teachings and to be able to manifest them in the correct way externally throughout their lives.
I'm not gonna lie, when I came to this tuition I was like, Tarbiyah, I've never heard of that, like what's happening in this tuition and that kind of stuff. Because I've never seen a tuition where they teach Tarbiyah and that kind of stuff. And then I realized it was actually a good thing to do.
We do activities at lunch and break. For example, we go out and play football, and like every couple of weeks we go on like a trip. Most of the teachers are quite young. They can relate to our daily struggles of everyday life.
They know how it feels to be once in our shoes. I think that they do care because they go like the extra mile. Like you don't see other tuition places taking you out to trips, and they ask us what do you want to do later on in life, like, what job do you want to pursue and stuff like that, and like just to make sure that they know how you're feeling and they know how the things that you want to do to make sure that you reach the goal and reach the potential that you really can be.
With my interactions with them, I see that they're maturing and becoming more focused in class. They're definitely appreciating the benefit of the class and the lesson itself. Yeah, they seem to be valuing education much more as a young person, as opposed to, okay, my parents are sending me to school or to the centre in order to learn. That's why I'm doing it. They're actually understanding that, this is an opportunity for them to actually put themselves in the positions that they want to be later on in life and for the majority of their lives when they become adults.
The young kids nowadays, they feel pressure from society, religiously as well. For us teachers, the way we try to deal with it is simply make them understand things at a younger age, develop them so young and make sure they're aware of their surroundings. I want to act as an older brother to some of the students, simply because I understand the struggles that they've been through. I allow them to ask more questions in the lesson and indulge in some topics where sometimes they don't feel they have a voice in school.
ETW is a project that starts off developing the local community. We aim to build hospitals, schools and education centres around the world. But as the saying goes, charity starts at home. So our first step is to build local projects in our local community, and hopefully that can help us build enough capital to widen our footprint internationally.